We're going to show you an interactive display that will allow you to see just exactly why we're here at Data Center World in London, Excel. So we have in front of us a typical data center facility. We have a data hall on our left. We have fire suppression. We have our crack or HVAC units from power distribution to building management system. And on the right, we've got our genset, so generator backup to provide power to the site, and then DC connection to the battery system, and then even a renewable solution as well. So from here, what we have is particular scenarios that allows the site to experience. So we have a BMS disruption. So by placing this disk anywhere on our interactive table, it will show a disruption actually happen, and a building management alarm condition occurs to say that there's an issue with the BMS system. Over here we've got connection, so our blue line shows the data communication, and then our red line shows the communication that is disrupted because of the building management system. If I then take that away, you can see that it clears the disruption, and then we are back to an optimum operation. What we have in our data centers, this is quite an important one, is a cooling disruption. So a cooling disruption is typically a HVAC system that is not cooling our data hall quick enough to a required temperature. So let's go ahead and create that scenario. And now what we have here is an actual disruption with the primary HVAC system. We obviously have our secondary HVAC system, and what that's doing is showing you the temperature that was rising up, and then obviously bringing that back down to a desirable temperature as well. Equally, let's clear this. We have a public grid disruption as well now. So let's go ahead and actually disrupt our renewable grid here. So we're showing a lightning strike that's happening on the renewables. What we can actually see is that the system and the building management sends a warning to the operator and shows that the battery backup is now powered. And then when the power does get depleted, it shows our backup generators are continuing to provide power to our power distribution boards, and then to our HVAC, fire suppression, and our data hall units as well. Our last one is a communication disruption as well. So communication disruption is equally important for the site. So let's go ahead and show that. So what we have here now is a disruption in our communication grid, but actually that looks at showing the data that can be redirected, and all of that can be managed from the building management system as just one solution. Come and see us. We're on stand D630. Thank you.